Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday we have completed unit second. Now from today onwards we'll see the unit third, kinematics. But before discussing kinematics, we should know what is a mechanics. What is a mechanics? Mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of forces and motion and their relationship. That means study of forces and motion and their relationship is called mechanics. And this mechanics has been divided into three branches. First one is known as statics, second one is known as kinematics, and third one is known as dynamics. So I will write here the branch of physics which deals with the study of forces and motion and their relationship is called mechanics. This mechanics has been divided into three branches. Mechanics has three branches. Number one, statics. Number two, kinematics. Number third, dynamics. These are the three branches of mechanics. The first one is statics. What is statics? Now look at statics. Statics is a branch of mechanics which deals with the objects at rest. That means the objects which are at rest are considered in the branch of statics. This statics has an importance in the design of bridges, buildings, and other structures. So we'll write here the branch of mechanics which deals with the objects at rest is called statics. It has central importance in the design of bridges, buildings, and other structures. That means while designing a bridge or a building or structures, the branch of mechanics which is applied is the statics. That means this statics has an importance in designing the bridges, buildings, and other structures. Why? Because it deals with the objects which are at rest. So this is the first branch. Now second is the kinematics. What's a kinematics? Kinematics, it is also a branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion of objects only without considering the cause of motion. That means the cause of motion or the cause which causes the motion is not considered while studying the kinematics. It is only related with the motion of the objects only. So in other words, we can say in kinematics, we do not consider the shape, size, mass of an object. Why? Because it is only restricted to the properties of the motion. So I will write here it. Only without considering the cause of motion. That means it does not consider the cause of motion. It is only related to the motion of the object. Or in other words, we can say in kinematics, we does not consider the shape, size and mass of objects. Why doesn't we consider the shape, size and mass of object? Because it is restricted only to the properties of the motion. It is restricted with the properties of the motion. So this is the second branch, kinematics. It deals with the state of motion of objects only without considering the cause. Or we can say, in other words, kinematics does not consider shape, size and mass of the objects. Why? Because it is only restricted with the properties of the motion of the objects. These are the first two branches. Then third is the dynamics. That will discuss inshallah in the next class. Thank you.